What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change avatar in Honor of Kings. So, if you're looking for a way to change your avatar, update your avatar here, well this one is really easy. So, first things first is you first want to access your account or your profile. So at the top left, you want to go and click on your profile. And in here, what we need to do is you want to go and click on the settings option, as you see at the top right of your screen. Now you want to click on avatar. Now in the avatar section, you can just basically click on the avatar that you want to use. So not all avatars here are going to be synced. So you want to go ahead and just choose one that is available right now. So you go ahead and press on this one and click on use. Now, just in case, like for example, you want to use a custom avatar for your profile, you can go ahead and click on your profile icon here. And there's two options that you could use here. Now, if you click on modify, you have two options. So you have upload from device and use Google Avatar. Now, if you use or click on the use Google Avatar here, you now have the option to use the avatar that is included or is being used on your Google account. Now, typically, you could do this by making sure that you connect your account or your Google account into your account here for Honor of Kings. So just make sure that you link your profile first or your account. So you could go and click on your settings here and make sure that you link your Google account here, or if you're already using your social here, you could go and click on the plus button and just link your Google account here if you haven't yet. But yeah, so once you have that link, you could go and click on your profile at the top left here, click on settings, and again, you could go ahead and click on avatar and choose the avatar here, click on modify and use Google Avatar. Now, if you want to get or use a different picture, you may need to update the profile picture for your Google Avatar here in order for you to have a different one. But if you don't want to use that, you're going to click on upload from device here, but you first need to unlock this in the gold tier. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.